was confusion. Whew, goodness gracious. Listen. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They were kind enough to send me a unit to review for you guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tell you I did some styling with this unit, so if you want to see how I got this style, make sure you stay tuned for that. But before we get into that, the specs and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Yeah. I ain't tryna think about it. No. Yeah, I said it, boy, get up inside it. I want you to homicide it. Going slow, and I want you to pipe it. And I think I kinda like you. Up against the wall, we don't need a title. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I said it. Ay. Yeah, I said it. Before the title. Boy, I always like to show. Get a little bit, come a little close now. Take it home on your camera phone. Get a little bad, baby, watch me blow it down. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I said it. Ay. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I said it. Ay. Yeah, I said it. You could be a rough boy, but you won't. Give me some love, boy, give it to me till the morn. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I said it, babe. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I said it, babe. Yeah, I said it. All you gotta do is say yes. I ain't worried about a label. Going in like we ain't got no time left. Pick me up and put your dinner on the table. Don't stop, I won't stop till I feel it in the right spot. Now I'm on top, yeah, I said it.
Okay, so like I said, this unit was sent to us by Outre. It is the brand new unit by the name of Soleil. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color 1B, and she does retail on most sites for under $30. This unit does come with HD transparent lace from ear to ear, a deep center part, and natural baby hairs. Now, big head friendly she is not. She is big head associate. It doesn't come down comfortably all the way onto my hairline. That's why I push mine back behind my hairline with my wig grip on, and I'm rocking her like that, okay? The HD lace, like I tell y'all all the time, on lace part units, it doesn't really matter because you're not really blending anything in. Like I put mine behind my hairline and colored it in, so you know, there's that, okay? But if you want to leave this joint on your hairline, you can definitely have some lacy, you know, kind of play with and blend it in if you choose to, okay? Now I did go in and cut a V into my parting space just to kind of open it up a little bit. That's personal preference, but you know, that alleviates that line of demarcation between the lace and your hairline. The unit is a heat resistant fiber, so she's heat safe up to about 400 degrees. I did use a little bit of heat up here on the top with my blow dryer just to kind of flatten this out because it was a little teeny humpy around the parting space, and we don't want the hump, okay? So go ahead and flatten that out with your hot tools and you'll be good to go. Out the pack, this unit looked a little, how do I say, confusing. Like on her card, that natural color looks good. Like it's considered a wet and wavy style. And so I kind of knew based on how she was looking on the card, she was gonna be one of those hit or miss type of units. And I wasn't wrong. Let's just say out the pack, I was a little, whew, goodness gracious. I was confusion, okay, because I wasn't really sure. Because I wasn't really sure what I was going to be able to do with this unit. I knew the style that I was going for. However, I didn't really know how I was going to get to that point because the hair it gives off synthetic. It gives under $30 tees. You know what I'm saying? Like the hair is soft, but it does have a, you know, it's synthetic, okay? The look of it gives off, okay, maybe a human hair dupe. Is it man chest friendly? Probably not. Don't lay on your man with this one. So I wasn't really sure how I was going to get the style that I wanted, but then I remembered I had my bed head hard head spray, and I just went in and sprayed, you know, a little bit through the unit. A little bit goes a long way with this joint, okay? Don't oversaturate your hair with this because one, it'll turn crusty, okay? It'll get white and crusty real quick, and also it will come off shiny. So a little bit goes a long way with this one. So I sprayed a little bit in the hair, and then I used my rat tail comb and just back comb through the unit. Y'all, it's giving off a natural type of tease. Am I the only one seeing this? Like, it's giving me like natural braid out, like on like the 6th day. Like when you still don't want to do your hair, trying to get the last ounce of that 3-day braid out. That's what I'm feeling like. That's what I'm feeling like. Day 6 is still slaying. You hear me? What y'all think? Am I seeing things? And I like how like the cut of it, I don't know, like I'm really feeling this one in a weird way. Like I dare I say I didn't want to like it. Like I was like, ugh, it's not giving me what I thought it was going to give me on the card, because she does look gorgeous on the card, but that's not what it was giving me on my head. And just be mindful of that. A lot of you guys watch our videos on YouTube and you're like, oh, I got the wig because of you and it looks horrible on me. Just understand, you're not me, okay? We don't have the same face shape, neck length, you know, shoulder width, all that kind of stuff. So the wigs are going to look a lot different on me than they are you. I'm just here to show you what they could look like and the potential of the wig, and I feel like this wig does have potential. She could literally be like an everyday wig style like this, and a lot of people walk around with their natural hair style like this and it looks gorgeous to me. Let me just show you guys what I'm talking about when I talk about the cut. So see how that cut is really tapered? It's tapered really, really well to me. And then to the back, this is how she is looking. Okay, again, tapered to me. So yeah, this unit really surprised me. She a last call banger. Like you're not gonna know what she's gonna do until you can get her together, okay? And gather her, I did. You hear me? In style with my little jacket and my necklace and my little, you know, my little nose ring. Okay, I'm feeling real feisty. Wow. I really like the look as a whole. I'm really liking. I think it looks good on me. If you don't like it, guess what? It's okay, okay? Not every wig is gonna be for you, sis, but on moi, I feel like it looks good. Okay, I can't complain, and I won't. I'm not seeing no shedding with this unit. Because I did go in and back home the unit, I probably will have some tangling, but I don't plan on running my fingers through this hair because of the style that I want. I want it to be kind of like big and bushy and, you know, kind of unruly. So now it does say this unit is a wet and wavy style. I wonder if you could spray this unit down with some water and wear it like that with some gel product. I ain't doing it today. But you know, the potential could be there. Okay, so I'm not mad at this one, okay? It's lightweight and beginner friendly, like anyone can do this. I just use my knot eraser in the parting space, you know, colored in my lace around my hairline with my black eyeliner pencil, and that was it. This is giving me all types of step into the new year with the business suit, okay? Styling and profiling in that boardroom, you hear me? Making money and taking names, boss.
All you gotta do is say yes. I ain't worried about a label. Going in like we ain't got no time left. Pick me up and put your dinner on the table. Don't stop, I won't stop till I feel it in the right spot. Now I'm on top, yeah, I said it. I'll give it to you right, you won't forget it. Boy, get out your feelings and forget it. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I said it, babe. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I said it.
Okay, so listen. Listen. She is giving me a boss look. I don't care what nobody say. This is cute, okay? And it's still tapered. It's still tapered to me. You hear me? The cut is just, y'all. Y'all, this is cute. I don't care. I don't care. Again, she gonna feel synthetic, okay? But the look of her, the look that she is giving me is not giving me synthetic. Yes, she prim and proper on the card, but for me, this look is meant to be messy and I'm here for it, okay? But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.